Okay, what are you inside? What is it called? A bandit cave. Let's see your bandit cave.
Let me see your ouchie. Let me see your ouchie.
My ouchie?
Jeez, crack. What did you do to your arm?
Well, I burnt it when I was getting the chicken nuggets out of the oven.
You burned it yourself?
Yeah, it was hot and it hurt my arm.
Ooh, jeez. Did you say owie?
Mm-hmm. I did say owie.
Take a video.
I'm taking a video. See, there's Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Okay, go run over there. Run real fast. Whoa, there he goes. Go, Sophie. Run. Okay, run back here, this way. Ready, set, go. Woo. Okay, the end.